Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are returning and if I can't speak, it's kind of late. It's not really late. I just got back from work. I teach piano and flute privately, and so the hours are different, like after school, right? So just got back. Anyways, in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you my favorite dainty necklaces.
I love wearing jewelry. I wear jewelry all the time. I actually did film this once. I didn't film it. I didn't do just necklaces. I didn't focus on just necklaces. I did like jewelry as a whole. But I thought I didn't really like that how it turned out. So I thought I would do it again, but just focusing on my necklaces, and then in another video I'll talk about earrings and rings, and then also bracelets. So let me know in comment below if you want to see those.
I do have a bunch of videos lined up, and I'm really excited to share those with you. So let's get started with my favorite dainty necklaces. First piece I will be sharing with you is this piece. This is a choker. I got it from Etsy. Oh my gosh, this is the seller I absolutely love. If you want to follow me on Instagram as well, I always feature them. I am not sponsored. I do not get gifted by any means. This is the sterling silver star choker. Looks like that. Absolutely love it. It is 11 inches, I believe, and then like a whole like 1.5 inches of extra length right here. So it will accommodate a lot of people. They are from Etsy. She's amazing. Customer service is amazing. I've messaged her a bunch of times. She does do custom. So these are the boxes that come with these pieces. So it just looks like this, and you open it up. It comes with this little cute card right here, like a tissue paper, and then it basically everything comes like that. And also it does come with this cute guy right here, and that is the name. So speaking of Evren, I'm just gonna keep going from them. This is the coin choker. I absolutely love it. Again, it is 11 inches with the 1.5 inch extender. But this is the 14 karat gold fill. So gold fill is a little bit more expensive than sterling silver, because gold filled has more gold in it, right? Sterling silver is sterling silver. I just love how this feels. It's like it has weight to it. I love it so much. I wear this all the time. Next up is the recent purchase I picked up that did come in that box. So this is the star necklace. I think that's what it's called, and this is the 16 inches in length. So goes a little bit further down on me, and that's why I'm not wearing it today, because my collar is kind of high for work. Again, it's weighty because it is 14 karat gold filled. So I love it. I love the stones in here. Moving on to another fashion house. This is also from Etsy. Is this guy right here. I've been wanting a just plain gold bar for the longest time, and I finally found one. Like 18 karat gold filled necklace. Again, this is 16 inches long. So again, it just shows up a little longer on my body because I'm petite. Yeah, I just love it so much. You can also get this engraved. The dust bag that comes with this. This is the cutest thing ever. I brought it to on vacation when I was in Miami and New York. Speaking of Miami and New York, I do have a haul video. If you haven't checked that out, you should check that out and see what I got. I think that I will leave that down below as well, maybe here or here. I have no idea. This is like my second video back, so I'm not really like good at this, you know what I'm saying? I'm just not good at this yet. So please follow along. Anyways, this dust bag is super cute. I love it. This brand is called Gilda Lee. The second last one I have I have on right now. This is very, very special to me. This I got on my first trip to Hong Kong. My first ever visit to Hong Kong. I went with my parents because of course I was really young. I think I was in grade 6, which was, I think that's when you're 12 in Canada. And then I saw this like displayed. So I was like, oh my gosh, I love it so much. I do teach piano and flute. I was 5 when I started learning piano. I started picking up flute when I was in elementary school. Music has just been my whole life. So this piece right here is white gold and it's just a little 16th note. Beautiful. I love it. It's so shiny when I wear it. Okay, last one. This is very special to me. I recently got it. So this is the Tiffany Co mini heart pendant in the rubedo metal. I absolutely love it. So rubedo just means rose gold. You can see the second heart. Here we go. That's the rose gold right there. And I love this so much. This is 16 inches as well. Love it. And of course the dust bag comes with this little cute Tiffany blue color dust bag. It does have the split right here. And you can just boop. And that is my favorite dainty necklaces. I absolutely love all of these. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more videos. All right, bye.